All right, thanks for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be redoing the headliner on the Mustang. Dang, cat, what are you doing hitting my camera? So we're going through this Mustang one piece at a time as we restore it. If you enjoy car projects, or if maybe you're working on... Cat, hey, no, no, stop, no. Meow meow. So I've never redone a headliner. It's going to be a new experience for me. You're going to get to see how it's done, or see how it's not done. I don't know. We'll find out together. So I think the headliner is going to be pretty simple to do. I mean, it's spraying glue and sticking a sheet of material down. I mean, how hard can that be? We've got the old headliner out of the car. So these things are basically, I mean, it's just like a piece of cardboard, more or less, on the back. The headliner itself has like this foam backing, kind of, and it's just a little thin layer of material. We're going to try to scrape all this foam and get this material, get all that cleaned off of this cardboard. And then we've got this roll of fabric that we ordered online. I think we ordered it from AutoZone, actually. So we got some standard black headliner. This headliner has already got the foam attached on the back. We're trying to do this on the cheap. You can order like a whole brand new headliner, but I think it's, you know, a few $100. You can order an exact piece, I think, replacement for this, and I think it's about $100. And this is just a roll of headliner material. I think it was $35, and we've got this Permatex automotive headliner adhesive. It was like 18 bucks. So we're trying to do this pretty cheap, hopefully, you know, around 60 bucks, and we'll end up with a decent looking headliner, at least better than this. These little corners are kind of fragile. I can get it started anyway, away from there. So I started scraping over here, but you can see I started kind of getting the paper. So I want to try to get off of that. I don't want to peel up layers of the paper.
It didn't take me too long to change my mind about peeling up the paper.
We just peeled it all off there. We ended up taking that top layer of paper. I decided if the paper was loose, then I didn't want to attach to it anyway. So I've got a few little things to clean up around the edges. I want to go around a couple of places like this. Maybe try to glue that back down. Reinforce that somehow. Reinforce some of these little corners, you know, kind of tune it up a little bit, get it dialed in, get ready to stick some new headliner on it. There's kind of like residue on there, so one thing I'm going to do is just kind of go over with sandpaper. So I just sprayed a little bit of the spray adhesive underneath there, and I'll squish it back down. That was cracked. Figured just the masking tape across there would be good. Once I get it mounted in the car, I mean, it should be there, right? As long as I get it stuck to this piece of cardboard good. Back when I used to build houses, we'd always sign studs inside the wall. You know, I always wondered if anybody ever found any of my signatures in the wall. If anybody ever redoes this headliner down the road, they'll know I was here. All right, I've rolled out the roll there, and as you can see, it's more than enough to do the headliner in this car. I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and kind of, trim. I'm gonna leave it extra, around the edges, but I'm just gonna trim it to something closer to what we need. Get that trimmed down. I'm gonna do that now. All right, I've trimmed the edges. I've got a couple of, inch or so hanging off all the way around it. So what I'm gonna do is basically, I think, kind of peel back half of it. And I'm gonna spray the glue all over the back side of the piece and all over the cardboard. And then roll that out flat, and then we'll bring the other side up and do the same thing. How's that sound? Sound good? Cool. Let's do that. Alright, we're just going to do that. Shake can before you use. Hold 6 to 8 inches away from work surface.
Basically, it said we have to put down 3 coats of glue, alternate the direction you spray it on, and wait 5 minutes in between each coat, and then you should be ready.
Line should be made within 30 minutes of application. Full cure is achieved 24 hours. Okay. All right, so we got 1 coat on there, and we're giving it that 5 minutes to skim over. Kind of cool the way that glue comes out. It comes out in this little wide pattern. All right, so that's 2 layers of glue. Like I say, doing it in opposite directions. We're giving it 5 minutes. All right, we got 2 coats on half of it, so we've got 1 more coat we're going to do on it. And it says keep going in opposite directions, so we're going to go diagonal across everything this last time. We're going to give it that 5 minutes to tack over. Then we're going to start laying it down. Lay down the first half, and then we're going to flip the other side over and do the whole process all over again. All right, so we got 3 coats on half of the headliner here, so we're going to go ahead and start trying to kind of roll down this half that we've got the glue ready for. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's see what we can get started here. See how it's going to work. Now you're just going to get down low. Just kind of start rolling. Be nice if I had. I mean, is it crazy if it works? All right, so we got half of it stuck. Now it's time to go ahead and do this other half. We'll do that same process all over again. All right, we're going to get our first layer of glue down. All right, we're going to put our second coat on the second half. Alexa, restart 5-minute timer.
Your 5-minute timer. Restarting now.
All right, it's time for that third, last coat. All right, so that should be it for the glue. Let it skim over, and then we can start laying this side down.
Does anybody know where I can get some custom 4-finger gloves?
Alright, I'm gonna slip the pool noodle up in here again. That seems to work pretty good. Helping push it along there. See if I can reach the arm. Just roll it on down.
I do think the pool noodle helped a lot on this, as far as trying to consistently just keep it rolling down all together. Having those gloves on is nice because my hands are like sandpaper, so it's almost like Velcro trying to rub on that headliner. So having that glove on, I was able to just rub it all down into the glue real good.
Go ahead and try to see if I can cut out some of this here and see what happens.
This part, just taking that razor blade and just going around the edge of that cardboard and trimming all that material back. All right, so we got the headliner all glued down and all the edges trimmed up. Check it out, it turned out pretty nice. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's gonna look nice. Heck yeah.
Wow. That looks good.
I know.
Good job.
Turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
For less than $60.
I like that.
I'm totally stoked about how the headliner turned out. I can't wait to get the thing in the car and see what it looks like. We got our new sound deadening installed. We got our air box redone, new evaporator core. We need to get our dash installed, and the wiring harnesses, get that stuff all hooked back up. It won't be long till we'll be hearing this car run, I believe. I hope so. I hope so. If you like this video, check out this one right here. It's weird having a car for this long and not ever hearing it run. I'm gonna be really excited to see how that turns out. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.